Breezy. This is Breezy. She's our AKC golden white Shih Tzu. She's sweet baby. Her sweet baby. All of our dogs are very friendly here. She's actually our smallest little girl. She's about 7 pounds. She actually comes from AKC lines. Not that that makes her a quality dog. What makes a quality dog is them passing the genetic testing, what she has. What are you trying to do? Bite on me? She's a beautiful, beautiful Shih Tzu girl. She's in her puppy cut. As you can see, she has a good tail set. She has sweet, high-set nose. If you can see it. She'll kiss the camera. She'll kiss the camera for you. She's actually just now turning a year old. She's already been CERF tested, bile tested. She's been OFA'd, passed everything, except for her hips, and she does not do that till she's 2. Hi. Let me see that face. She's happy, baby. Get your ball. Breezy, get your ball. Get your ball. Come on. She loves the cat ball. Ready? Go get the ball. Oh, you don't want to get the ball now. You don't want to get the ball? You love your cat ball. Come on, get your ball. Come on. Look what I got. Look what I got. Like that? You like that? You just want your mommy. You just want your mommy. She will stand up on her hind legs and beg. I don't know if I could get her to do it right now because, like most kids, she wants to do things when she wants to do it. Breezy, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can get you to stand up on your hind legs. Where you at? Where you at? Hey. Okay. There you go. Well, do it here. Where you at? You can't go behind me. Can't see you behind me. Well, that's little Breezy. Breezy! She's sweet babies. Here's one of our mamas here. Hey! You just don't even want... What about this here toy? What about this here toy? There her goes. See? See's her other toy. Here. There her goes. Come on. Come on. Good girl, babe. Come on. Breezy, look. Beg. Beg. Good girl. Hey. Hey, can you beg again? Beg. Come on. Stand up. Come on. Breezy. She has an awesome tail set. Gorgeous eyes. Gorgeous eyes. Oh.